It is spring, and the trees of the forest have regained their beauty after the long and harsh winter. The local wildlife has been invigorated by the warmer weather. The woods are alive with the hustle and bustle of springtime courtship, each species with its own method of attracting its other half. Today we will be taking a look at one of these creatures as he ventures to find a mate of his own, the elusive Piscipiter Pisciculum delphinus, or as it's more commonly known, the PPD. The PPD's courting ritual is one of the most elaborate ever recorded. Everything must be exactly right before the ritual can begin. With the finishing touches in place, he's ready to call out to any potential mates. The PPD mating call is shrill enough to pierce even the deepest underground den. It is no wonder he's attracted a nearby female. He acknowledges her with a courteous bow. Now the true show can begin. The male PPD begins rhythmic dance-like movements to show off his agility and coordination, important traits in avoiding predators. He finishes off with an impressive display of his unique bioluminescence. He's not won her over yet. On to phase 2. This is where the PPD begins to display more of its unique qualities. Its aerial prowess is important to finding food for its mate, so the female will be paying close attention to his maneuverability. And he sticks the landing. Let us see what the female thinks about that. Still not impressed? Well, our little PPD is not done yet. He shows off the versatility of his leg movement. This is integral to avoiding predators and defending his young. He is displaying immense skill and control, quite a desirable trait. It looks like his legs were not ready to give up the spotlight. This does not bode well for his performance. He is trying to overwhelm him with the sheer amount of valuable traits he possesses. What a grand finale! Was that enough to win her heart? Oh no, seems not. Better luck next time, little guy. Spring goes on. Some find mates, others do not. And for those unlucky few, there's always next year. It's almost reassuring that even in the animal kingdom, love is just as complicated for them as it is for us.